AI is literally saving lives right now.
It really is amazing.
And today we're diving into how it's revolutionizing cancer care, specifically with Tempus AI.
Yeah, it's incredible to see how this cutting-edge technology is being used in medicine, leading to all these new breakthroughs. And we're
Wow.
talking about like the potential to make cancer treatment as unique as each patient.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's break down exactly how Tempus AI is using this technology to personalize cancer treatment.
Well, they're using machine learning, in particular deep learning, to analyze massive data sets.
Huge amounts of data.
Exactly. Data sets of medical records, imaging, scans, genetic information.
Wow.
It's all about creating a comprehensive picture of each patient's unique cancer.
It's like having a supercomputer working around the clock
Yeah.
to understand each patient's cancer at a deeper level than we've ever been able to before.
That's a great way to put it.
It really is.
The AI system can identify patterns and insights within this data that would be impossible for humans to spot.
Just too much.
Way too much. And this leads to these tailored treatment plans for each individual.
So how do these personalized plans actually work in practice?
Okay, so Tempus's AI system takes all this data
Okay.
and matches patients to specific clinical trials or therapies that are most likely to be effective based on their unique cancer type.
So it's finding the best possible treatment for each person.
Exactly. Like, for example, it can pinpoint specific genetic mutations in a tumor
Oh, wow.
that might make a patient eligible for a targeted therapy they wouldn't have known about otherwise.
That's incredible. It really takes the guesswork out of treatment.
It does.
So we're moving away from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach to cancer treatment
Yeah,
and towards something much more precise.
exactly. And it's all driven by data.
Data.
Eric Lefkofsky, the CEO of Tempus, has said that AI in healthcare isn't just about automation. It's about enhancing human decision-making, allowing for treatments that are as unique as the patients themselves.
That's such a powerful statement. It really highlights the potential of AI to revolutionize healthcare.
It does. And what's really fascinating is that Tempus's approach not only improves outcomes for patients, but it also has the potential to reduce healthcare costs by minimizing the trial and error that often comes with traditional cancer treatment.
So better outcomes
Yeah.
and potentially a more efficient healthcare system.
Yeah.
That's a win-win situation,
Exactly. And you can really see the excitement building online.
for sure.
There's a palpable sense of hope and optimism around these advancements in personalized medicine.
Absolutely. I've seen a lot of buzz on social media with hashtags like hashtag AIinHealthcare and hashtag precision medicine trending. People are really starting to understand the power of this technology.
They are. It's definitely shifting the paradigm of healthcare towards a more proactive and data-driven model.
It's almost like science fiction becoming reality.
It is.
But with these advancements come some important ethical considerations, right?
Oh, of course.
Especially when it comes to something as sensitive as patient data.
You're absolutely right. Data privacy is paramount. We need to make sure that patient data is handled responsibly, transparently, and securely.
No doubt. It's also crucial to ensure that these powerful AI tools are accessible to everyone.
Yeah,
Otherwise, we risk widening existing healthcare disparities.
that's a crucial point. Accessibility and equity need to be at the forefront of this revolution.
They do. So if AI can revolutionize cancer care, imagine what it could do in other areas of medicine.
I know the possibilities are truly limitless. It's pretty amazing to think about.
Right, like we've been talking about the impact of AI on cancer care, but this kind of data-driven approach has the potential to transform other fields as well.
Absolutely.
What other areas come to mind?
Well, education is a great example.
Okay.
Imagine a world where AI can analyze a student's learning patterns,
Got it.
their strengths and weaknesses,
Yeah.
and create a personalized learning plan tailored to their individual needs.
It's like having a personal tutor for every student.
Exactly. AI could help identify students who are struggling early on and provide them with the extra support they need to succeed.
Yeah.
Imagine a future where every student has the opportunity to reach their full potential.
That would be incredible. It's fascinating to think about how this level of personalization could be applied in other industries as well.
Yeah.
What about finance?
Oh, finance is another area ripe for disruption by AI.
I could see that.
Imagine receiving highly personalized financial advice, investment strategies,
Okay.
and even risk assessments tailored to your individual circumstances.
So instead of getting generic financial products,
Right.
we could have solutions that are specifically designed to meet our unique needs and goals.
Precisely. It's all about leveraging the power of data and AI to create more personalized and ultimately more effective solutions.
It's exciting to think about all the possibilities, but we also need to be mindful of the potential challenges, right?
Of course, with any powerful technology, it's important to consider the potential downsides.
We've talked about the importance of data privacy, but what about the need to ensure that these AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly?
That's a critical point. We need to make sure that these systems are transparent, accountable, and fair.
It sounds like we need a collaborative effort between technologists, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI is used for good.
Absolutely. It's a shared responsibility to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits everyone.
So what does all of this mean for our listeners? Why
Well,
should they care about the rise of AI in healthcare and beyond?
Well, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already changing the world around us, and its impact will only grow in the coming years.
Right.
Understanding how AI works, its potential benefits, and its limitations is crucial for everyone,
For sure.
not just those working in tech.
Not just the engineers.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
about being informed and engaged citizens in an increasingly AI-driven world.
It really is.
Exactly. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI.
We do. And that brings us to our call to action for today's episode. So we've spent this deep dive exploring the incredible potential of AI
Yeah, it's been great.
and how companies like Tempus are really changing the game in cancer care.
Absolutely.
But now we want to hear from you.
We do.
We've talked about AI's impact on cancer treatment,
Right.
but what other areas of healthcare do you think could benefit from AI-powered solutions?
Yeah, let's keep this conversation going.
Exactly. Head over to social media and tell us how you envision AI reshaping the future of healthcare.
Yeah.
You can tag us at AI for the people.
Yeah. And we want to hear your thoughts,
Yeah.
your hopes, and even your concerns.
For sure.
Let's make this a collaborative discussion about the future we want to build together.
Absolutely. So to wrap things up today, it's clear that Tempus AI is demonstrating the power of machine learning
It really is.
to personalize cancer treatments
Yeah.
and ultimately save lives.
Yeah,
This is a powerful example of AI being used for good.
it is.
And it's really just the beginning.
Yeah, we're really on the edge of a new era in medicine where data-driven insights
Mhm.
and personalized approaches will redefine what's possible.
And as we embrace these advancements,
Yeah.
let's not forget the importance of responsible AI development.
For sure.
We need to ensure that data privacy, equity, and ethical considerations are always front and center.
Absolutely. It's a shared responsibility to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity.
It is. And before we wrap up this deep dive, we want to leave you with a final thought-provoking question.
Okay, shoot.
We've seen how AI can diagnose and treat diseases,
Right.
but what about predicting them before they even arise?
Oh, wow. That's a fascinating question to consider.
It is.
Like, imagine using AI to identify individuals at risk for certain diseases and intervening early to prevent illness altogether.
Yeah, that's incredible.
It really is.
It's an incredible possibility
Yeah.
that researchers are actively exploring right now, and it has profound implications for healthcare and for society as a whole.
Yeah.
So keep that question in mind as you continue to explore the world of AI.
Yeah,
We're on a journey of incredible possibilities, and we're excited to have you along for the ride.
we are.
And that brings us to the end of this deep dive. Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about AI's life-saving potential and work together to build a brighter future for everyone.